Either. Send out you guys have to just be careful though. Still. Change.
Step by step.
I'll go over, just throw you over. You go over. That's just omelette tonight. Hey, buddy. Okay, here you go.
Green fields stretch before my eyes. Hayati feels so clear. In every khalik I witness, Allah signs appear. Travel through the land and sea, the call we hear inside. To walk, reflect, and
Just thought I'll take a picture.
Allah as our guide. Each khatwa upon this path.
What is that you guys think?
What it seems.
My logo is not right either. Can you hear the noise? Getting ready for it. You still couldn't do it. I told you not to touch it. Yeah. Yeah, I had to come this way. Seen that view, guys. I had to get off. Oh yeah, they're on tourist. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, mate. Hey? It might be not according to website. You said that. Google or now it was. You will take. Have you got shots on? So once we get up there, we'll do something to it. Just.
Science speaks of what we feel when hearts speaking to ease. The mind finds rest, the soul resets with al-hawa and trees. Each step we take, the body heals, the will grows strong again and harder. There is barakah, relief from hidden pain. The sunlight warms, the hawa revives the death, begins to clear, stress fades away with every khatwa replaced with hopes and seeds.
Boys, oh my God, it's very windy. Woo. Ooh. Yeah, absolutely. Bro, this is hard, man. This is not a joke. Usually we come this way when we're hiking, go down this way. So we're in Chew Valley now, look. This is Chew Valley. Oh my God, I think we'll have to get change. Back again. It's in the water. Oh. Alhamdulillah.